and welcome to another unboxing from ThredUp. This time it is a DIY designer box. I managed to grab one of these. They are very hard to come by, but I grabbed two. This one came and I am expecting another one. So let's get started with this one. I'm gonna go through this really quick because I have another fun project to work on. So let's get started. Woohoo! I paid for this $140 plus shipping. It is very expensive, but I hope I can make my money back. It comes to about $20 per item. So we got a Burberry crossbody bag that has some kind of damage on the leather rim at the back, a little bit at the front, and the interior is a little bit sad looking. But a little bit of a cleaning will do wonders. It has a non-detachable strap, but you can adjust it here. This will fetch, I don't know, maybe $50, let's say. I will post it in my closet if somebody is interested. As usual, I will put my closet name up there so you can go shopping. I see red here. It is my favorite color. As you can tell from all my videos, I have something red. I have another Burberry top. It's like a sweater that has some damage. That's not a problem. I can fix that. And a little hair. Sorry about that. It has some snaps at the back that are functional. And I see further damage here, some holes, like moth holes. It is a size large, and from what it feels like, it's wool. Yeah, fine merino wool, extra fine merino wool. Beautiful shade of red. But yeah, I don't know if I can fix it that way that it's not visible. So we'll see about this one. Next up, I have a Furla wallet, that has some signs of wear on the surface. It is very clean inside and has a lot of space, but it will need some care. There you go. It's a navy blue. I don't see any. Oh, yeah, it's a little damaged here, and the corners in general. I'm not that excited with this box, you guys. I know it's called a designer box. It is a designer box, but the items, I don't think they're gonna fetch as much as I was hoping for. Okay, and we have a Valentino top. That's good news. Very pretty. It feels like it's silk. Let me see if we have a size. It's a size 6, which in European sizing means small. Very pretty. It's a lot of lace detail and beautiful closure here at the front with handmade buttons. Very pretty. I don't see any damage other than this little stain here at the front. I don't know if you can notice it right here. I will try some stain treatment on that particular spot and be very careful how I do it, because this can fetch a lot of money. Maybe this will make my money back. Happy with this one. Ooh, and I have 3 pairs of shoes, you guys, and I will show you my favorite color, of course. It is a pair of Ferragamo shoes, and they have some damage at the front, but they're pretty good looking, and it says size 8.5. I doubt this is 8.5 because they seem pretty small, but here's the damage. And they don't look very worn. I have here from Ferragamo what boutique. Okay, I don't know what it says. It was $100, so let's hope we get some kind of money back on this one. They're very pretty flats. Let me see what size it is. I'll tell you in a second. So I'm a 7 in Italian shoes, 37. Yep, this is a 7.5. 7.5. And I might add a little bit narrow. Another Salvatore Ferragamo pair of shoes. It's more of a fall winter boot. And you have the Ferragamo stamp here. Very pretty actually. And in fairly good condition. I don't see any damage. The bottom is a little bit worn off. It says 8.5, so it's 7.5 or 7. This would be good for size 7 probably. And it's a suede with a leather trim. Great condition. And the last item in the box, you guys, it's the best probably. It's a pair of Chanel espadrilles. Okay, the condition. I don't see any damage. I have a code number here on the interior, but I don't see a size. Oh, 37. So this is probably a 6.5. Italian shoes are running half or one full size smaller than the US sizing. And yes, this is a 6.5. Woohoo! Very nice, very nice. I'm happy about these ones. Very pretty. Good condition. It's some kind of crackled leather. The interior is very good looking and the rubber bottom is in good condition. And that's it for this box, you guys. It's not the best of the boxes. These items for sure will make my money back on the box. So I cannot say I'm upset about this box, but I was expecting something a little bit more profitable, let's say. But it's okay. I hope the next box will be better. I'm just happy I was able to grab 2 of the boxes from DIY Designer Box. So let's hope the other one is better than this one. Again, I'm gonna post all this in my closet. Here's my closet name if you would like to take a look at any of these pieces. And happy shopping. See you in the next one. And stay tuned. I'm gonna post the other unboxing really soon. Bye.